This is a MacBook Air 1466 motherboard. This is a 2017 model and unable to power on. As soon as we connect DC power supply, see, we connect DC power supply. As soon as we on power supply, it's taken 115 amp, and this IC, see, this IC 153 amp, and this IC is hitting too much. This is a camera IC, and camera IC failure in this motherboard. This is a common problem most of all in this board. It's taken 0.153 amp, and this camera IC is hitting too much. We have to replace this IC and repair this board. After replacing, we continue the video. Thank you. We repair this board. See, we on power supply and it's taken 500-600 amp, and display also coming. See, there is a camera reset line. See, camera PCI reset line, and this line is see, display is coming in my pen drive, and this line is shorted to the ground. This is a pull-up line, 3-volt pull-up line. See, camera PCI resettle, and shorted from other side. We remove the shorting, and this MacBook Air 1466 2017 model is repaired. Thank you.